Hello, graduating seniors. Congratulations on being accepted to Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. Hello, my name's Diane Howard. It was Ozebek back when I graduated in 1982, and I graduated with a degree in electrical engineering. It's an exciting time for you. I know you've got a lot of decisions to make, but I'm happy to share a little bit of my memories and my career and what's happened in my life at RPI. I chose Rensselaer for a couple reasons. One, it kind of ran in the blood. My oldest brother had a degree in physics. My next oldest brother went for a degree in mechanical engineering from Rensselaer. And then when it came time for my twin sister and I to decide, we looked at a bunch of different options and we both decided independently of one another to go to Rensselaer. So you have to say it runs in my veins. But I remember being at Rensselaer at 7 years old when the student union was first built, visiting my brother, and just being awed by the campus, the beauty of the quad, the camaraderie, what I felt was just a lovely, lovely environment. The size seemed about right. And so when it came time, just naturally, it just seemed to be the right fit for me. And I'm really glad that I went there. Rensselaer formed the foundation for me, for my career. I retired 4 years ago as a vice president of operations for Northrop Grumman for the cyber division. But I started my career as a computer engineer with IBM, which back in the day was like Google and Microsoft and others, Apple for now. And it was just an exciting time. And what I liked about Rensselaer was a couple things. One, certainly top shelf academia. Two was lifelong friendships that I forged, and really just the sense of community. I've volunteered for Rensselaer for the last 25 years, and while I was doing my career, and now more so while I'm retired. And I'm just so excited by the changes that are on campus, what's going on with the academia, the advancements that are made in infrastructure, and really the sense of community, what I feel is a family. And to me, that was very important. And I know you have all different values and what's important to you, but it really formed the ability for me to be able to go through my career, not just technologically, but also just as a person, and being able to go through the engineering ranks and the managerial ranks and have all those attributes to be able to manage the career, if you will. And I'm just grateful for that Rensselaer education. I have some notes here, but while I'm doing that, I'll show my cameraman. This was me back in 1982 with my twin sister, Deborah. She had a degree in biomedical engineering. And, from that, I know I'm looking at my notes a little bit. There were a lot of classes that I really enjoyed. As I said, I graduated with an electrical engineering degree, but then went into computer engineering. And the class that really excited me was computer organization and logic design, and anything digitally oriented. It just kind of spoke to my strengths. And I guess that's really just about it. I don't have much else to say. Like I said, I graduated in 1982. Retired now for a few years, had a long career, ending in a vice president for operations for Northrop Grumman, a defense company. Grateful for the opportunity to talk with you today, and I'm excited for y'all. You have some great challenges and opportunities ahead, and if you make a choice to go to Rensselaer, you won't regret it. Thanks for your time.